Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the trending reel video edit in CapCut. So if you want to create trending Instagram reels that grab attention, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can edit viral style reels in CapCut. So what you need to do is just open your clips in CapCut, and if it's still not in Reels format, you can change the aspect ratio into 9:16 or portrait like this. And then you can also crop your video or just use the zoom in options in here. I'm going to just crop it into again 9:16 and adjust the position like this now. And now you can follow my steps in here. First, you can go to the filter menu and find the glow filter. You can just click on a search button and for search for glow. Okay, this one in here. Adjust the intensity to how you preferred. Okay, I'm going to just go with the default settings, and now you can go to adjust, and here I'm going to increase the brightness to around 6 and contrast 8, saturation to around 7, and brilliance I'm going to lower it into -1 or 2. And here click on the HSL, and you're going to bring the green color pop. So I'm going to just increase all of this like this. Hit on a check icon and click on grabs. Okay, I'm going to go with the settings right here. Click on a check icon, and now you can go to video effects, and at the beginning of your videos you can just add the halo blur effect, this one. Hit on a check icon, and you can adjust the intensity and also the duration of the halo blur to how you prefer. So this is the final result. So guys, that's pretty much all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more CapCut tutorials, editing hacks, and Instagram tips. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!